What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff. If you look right over here where I'm moving my mouse, I have the 3-month chart pulled up on Electronic Arts, Activision Blizzard, and Take-Two Interactive, okay? And those are their according numbers. So EA is right up here in the blue, and of course Activision Blizzard is in the yellow, and Take-Two Interactive is in the orange. Now guys, these have been 3 of the best performing gaming stocks of all time. These are what you'd almost call legacy stocks, okay? These are companies that have been producing games people have been playing for so long now. So like when I think of Electronic Arts, of course the first thing I think about is Madden football. And when I think about Activision Blizzard, the first thing that pops in my head is Call of Duty. And then Take-Two Interactive, the first thing that comes into my mind is Grand Theft Auto and Red Dead Redemption. So going back to the end of December, right here in the blue, guys, Electronic Arts has actually increased 37%. And then down here, Activision Blizzard has only seen about a 6.5% gain. And then Take-Two Interactive, of course, it is the big lagger of the group. It is actually down 2% from where it was trading at the end of December. But these stocks have gotten corrected very strongly over the past couple of months. And 2018 was again not a good year for any of these companies, and some of them losing almost 50% of their value. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a small gaming company that has outperformed these games not only over the past 3 months, but has even outperformed them over the past 5 years. They have come from such a small stock price to now a very fast and growing stock price. So if this is your first time tuning into the channel, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any content or future update videos. And please hit that thumbs up button for me, guys. I really appreciate all the support we get. And also, I want to give a special thanks to Andrew Trapman. He actually told me to start tracking this stock a couple of weeks ago. I've had some time to prepare and do a little bit of research, and so he really deserves the credit on this one. And if you want, head on over to Andrew's channel and make sure to check that out too. He has some really good content. He keeps a very good eye on the commodity market, but he also speculates in the more traditional stock market. So make sure to go check it out, guys. So the name of this company is Gravity, and the ticker symbol is GRVY. This video is not a buy recommendation, but rather, guys, I would like for you to pause the video and at least get this stock on your watch list, okay? I do think we're going to have a turbulent market for a little while, but at the end of the video, I'm going to propose a method of investing in this company and trying to capture some of its gains. So Gravity is a globally known online game company, and it was founded in April of 2000, and this is a Korean company. Now I just mentioned that too, guys, because I do want you to be aware that this is a Korean company that is listed on the American exchange, okay? And so this is just a small variety of some of the IP-based games that they offer. Now guys, I'm just going to tell you the truth. I have never played any of these games. Not saying that I don't enjoy them or not. I just simply have no opinion to tell you if I like these games or not. I think that makes this even more speculative for me because I'm simply going to be trusting the numbers and the earnings, and I don't have a personal opinion on the games themselves. Maybe I should take some time and play a few of these games and check them out, but I just find myself to be too busy for any more gaming than I already do. This company is very involved in mobile gaming, as you can see right down here. They have Ragnarok Spear of Odin for App Store. Then right over here, they have Ragnarok Mobile Adventurer and Ragnarok M First Love, and those are all app-based mobile games. And then they also have Ragnarok Web, and that's an MMORPG. Then there's also this RO Click H5 idle game. If any of you play any of these games and have an opinion on it, be sure to go down to the comment section and comment on it. Like I said, I don't play any of them, so I can't really speak to the quality of any of these games. So now guys, we are back to the same chart I started off with the video. EA, Activision Blizzard, and Take-Two Interactive. Now I'm going to add the 3-month chart of Gravity. In the red is Gravity, and so over the past 3 months, GRVY is up 63.4% and is actually seeing a little pullback right now. So right up here, guys, in the red, Gravity is up 1,000 615% over the past 5 years. Then of course, here in the orange, that's Take-Two Interactive. They're up 347%, where EA is at 258% return, and Activision Blizzard is only at a 129% return. So not only is this stock, dramatically outperforming the stock market, it is also outperforming its peers, and I definitely think this is one to keep an eye on. Let's get into that. So just coming back to this, guys, as you can see, still has a very small market cap of around $473 million. So it's hard to really say where this company's valuation should be at. But when you compare it to other companies like Glue or Zynga, other companies that are heavily involved in mobile gaming, this company feels very, very undervalued. I would also like to point out that their profit margin runs at over 10%. And the return on equity is well over 60%. So those are statistics I really value and care to see in a company before I ever start making an investment in them. And then of course the quarterly revenue growth is currently at a 67% year-over-year growth rate, and their quarterly earnings growth is at about a 204% year-over-year growth rate. So taking these few statistics into account, that would suggest that this company is very undervalued at its current price and probably has a lot more room to run. And so right now, guys, we are in a period of time where there is a lot of fear out there in the market. And I know this speculation is heavily focused on the possibility of a recession coming soon. I really don't want you investing a lot of money into Gravity, because these really small companies, do take a risk of not surviving a recession, where the bigger market cap companies that are a lot more leveraged with cash, have the obvious advantage in survival. Now, myself, I don't think a recession is coming, but we're going to keep a very close eye on this over the next couple of weeks. My suggestion for taking a position in Gravity would be with an M1 Finance portfolio. Guys, if you haven't opened an M1 Finance portfolio, I will have a link down in my comment section and it will be pinned. And if you sign up for a cash account and then fund your account up to $100, you will get $10 free of stock. And that's really the great thing about M1, is you can buy $10 at a time of any company you want. And that's actually the current strategy that I'm using. So this stock got on my radar around $55 a share, and I took a small position, just a little under $60. And so the great thing there, guys, I didn't invest a lot of money in it. I have room for this stock to fall and buy some more. Let's say if the next month or two starts getting really bearish again in the stock market, I can use $50 to $100 at a time and keep buying this stock fractionally and not pay any commission fees. But I definitely want this in my portfolio, and I do know that the management of this company has even spoke about splitting the stock back so the shares do get a little more affordable. Because like I said, guys, in 6 months time, this stock has ran from $18 all the way up to $65. But anyways, that's all I got for the video. Drop a comment. Let me know if this stock is on your radar or if you've been watching it. I would really like to hear if anyone has played any of the games and what your opinion is on those. Thanks as always for watching, guys, and have a great day.